Wow, the desert was really gorgeous last night. It was warm and it was just so nice. Fresh air and quiet. Yes, that's what I like. So I'm gonna cook some food this morning with my Inergy Kodiak Solar Generator. I charged it up this week with the solar panel at my house. And what I'm gonna make is sweet potato pita bread. All I put in it was a little bit of sweet potato that's been cooked and some flour and some salt. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna use my convection cooktop. That seems to work the best of all the things that I have tried so far. It doesn't use very much energy, and it's easy to clean. It's easy to carry around. I've tried microwave. I've tried the waffle iron. I've tried the butane stove, and this is what I like best. So I want to share it with you. So I have my pan. I have the Induction cooktop. This is a special pan you have to get. You have to be able to put a magnet on the bottom and have it stick. And I have it plugged into my Inergy Kodiak generator here. Here's this bag so you can see it. There you go. I also have my cooler hooked into there. I got butter. Here's my sweet potato pita bread. Turning on the induction cooktop. I'm putting it about 176 degrees Fahrenheit. That usually works pretty well. Wow, it sure smells good. I'm adding some fried eggs, and what could be more delicious and fun than eating all of this and looking at all of this. About 25 miles from Big Bear, and it's just amazing that there are these two ecosystems right next to each other. So you can stay down in the desert in the night and be warm, and then you can go up in the pine trees during the day and be cool. It's a perfect setup. Good morning, little girls. Did you like the night in the desert? You look all rested up. Ready to play? Okay. Okay, so 30 minutes and we're back in the pine trees. Wow, temperature is 71. It was 91 when we left the desert. Well, that's it for our Big Bear and Lucerne Valley off-highway vehicle trip. Be sure and subscribe. Push the red subscribe button and give me a comment and a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. God bless you and keep you and make his face shine on you and give you peace. Because whoever believes in Jesus has eternal life. See you soon. Bye.